Clever communication, you should know what is the information that you are giving out to each stakeholder. Is it a senior manager whom I'm speaking to? Is it a business unit that I'm speaking to, or is it an external vendor? What is that information that needs to be customized so that they understand it? Remember, I'm talking about adapting your communication style to match to each stakeholder. Certain times we might write a page long project report. When it goes into a senior manager, they do not have time to read through your page long report. They need is 4 bullet points. So you need to adapt to the communication style. Next thing, listen actively and demonstrate understanding. Imagine somebody from your team coming up to you and saying that, look, I have issues and I need someone to talk to. At this point, take up this role of an active listener. Here, what do they have to say? Summarize their points. Okay, I hear you. This is what I understood from this. Now, how do we go forward with it? What do you suggest? Give them also the responsibility. Probably take up the role of a coach at this place. What do you suggest? Why do you think we cannot deliver it in this way? What happens we take this alternative route? Empower your team through active listening. Okay, you once you know what is the problem, also be transparent about what your challenges are, what your constraints are, and how are you going to move forward. Next, use a simple language that everyone understands. No jargons. I'll give you a classic example. When I speak about a very, strong verbiage like it's raining cats and dogs, people who understand or who speak English fluently will understand that, okay, it's going to rain heavily. I'm not going to go out. However, there are also neuro-affirmative people who would be scared and they are also not going to come out. You know why? They are going to be more scared that I don't know what's the situation out, that cats and dogs are pouring out of the sky, how dangerous that situation is. Do not use any kind of jargons. Align your stakeholders. That is your end goal. So make sure that you have this clear communication, keep it simple, keep it accurate, be transparent, and I would also say try to be clever in some ways. Try to put in what is that you want to send out and to